So a neighbor took down his fence, or I took down for him. Either way, we got some fence posts secured, so we've got a couple projects coming up. So today we're gonna kind of continue on with the scrap wood home decor theme, and we're gonna get some arrows made up. So stay tuned, see how we do it. So step one, breaking down the panels. So we'll get the hammer, start taking her apart. Just set her down on the floor, find your hammer, start prying up from the back side of the fence. The goal here is to get the nail heads to stay in the pickets. Having a little trouble here. So we'll just beat on it for a little bit. And there she is. So I just drive the nails out from the back side, set them aside. Use my foot as a prop, probably a better option for this operation. And there is a significant amount of nails. Flip them over, start prying them off. I decided I was going to hang on to all the nails in the beginning because these can actually be reused for other projects. But here I decided there's probably too many nails to hold in my hand at one time. Make sure you pick up all your nails. There's a lot of them. You want those in your tires. Let's get our miter saw set to 45. There she is. Lock it down. We'll start cutting. So what we'll do now is we'll take our first piece, line it up on our second piece, use that as a template to cut all the arrow. Just push it up to the blade, out of the way. That's what you got. This is the centerpiece we're going to use. I think this is going to be the front. We're going to cut it to about 33 inches. Reset our table saw to 90. 0, chop the end off. About 2. So now we're done at the miter saw. This is what we've got left. Now we've got to attach our two ends together. I think we're going to use pocket holes for this today. You can, attach these together, leave them like this, put some commando tape or hooks or D-rings or something on here, hang them on your wall just like this. But today we're going to make an actual arrow, so let's get the pocket hole in and we'll get this attached. So we've got our K4 pocket hole jig. I've already got it set up. There's indicator lines here, and that's where your screw holes will go. Just remember that I have these laying face down. So when you put this in, you want to make sure you got the bottom facing your jig. And just line up some holes here. Start drilling. Kind of rough wood, but that's the gist of it. Pocket holes done. Take a little dab of glue, throw her on there, screw her together. Glue is not necessary for these. Face clamp. Inch and a quarter pocket holes. There you go. First stage there on left. A little loose right here. I think I may I'm gonna take a staple. I should have put a pocket hole closer to the corner because this is what we got, but we're just gonna, I'll drive a pin nail in there. It'll be good. Problem solved. What I'll do is I'll line one edge up to my table because that's a fairly straight edge. You can use screws, nails, whatever you got really. So the first one and the last one, I'll cover up our centerpiece. So about there. And then we'll slide this one in somewhere, and just we'll hang down here. There's no sign, so just find a gap that you like. I think that'll look good. Let's get to putting her into place. So, ready to attach the back of it. We're just going to use 1-inch staples and go through it. One arrow, ready to hang on the wall. So, we just got normal picture frame attachment. I honestly don't know what these called. I get them at the big box store. You want to get it close to center on the board as you can, and that way it'll hang level. Get your 2 ends level, small nail, try not to hit your fingers. glued. There you go. That's all there is to it. I'll put a nail in the wall back there. Let's go hang it. There it is, another home decor project from 131 Woodworking using scrap wood. 20 minutes. See you next time.